1001 horsepower, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, 3 electric motors, 0 to 60 in 2.5 seconds, 217 miles per hour, $668,000. Ladies and gentlemen, the Lamborghini Revuelto, the most extreme, most powerful, and most extraordinary Lamborghini ever built. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Launch Rev USA. Today we are standing next to something that will genuinely make your heart race just by looking at it. The Lamborghini Revuelto, the world's first hybrid V12 hypercar, Evo Car of the Year winner, and the car that every single competitor on this planet is absolutely terrified of. This thing is parked in front of a Beverly Hills mansion overlooking the entire Los Angeles skyline, and honestly, that is exactly where this car belongs. Let's break down every single detail. Let's start outside. And let me just say this, no photograph, no video, no screen does this car justice. In person, the Revuelto is jaw-dropping, absolutely jaw-dropping. That Nero Noctis black finish, pure gloss black paint over a carbon fiber body, absorbs light in a way that makes every sculpted surface look like it was carved by a sculptor rather than engineered by a team. Every angle, every crease, every surface change on this car has been designed to manage airflow, generate downforce, or both. Up front, those Y-shaped LED daytime running lights are one of the most dramatic lighting signatures in the automotive world. The headlights sit at the top corners of those Y-shapes, and at night, looking at this car coming toward you, it is unlike anything else on the road. The front grille and lower splitter are all active aerodynamics. The vents open and close automatically at speed, managing airflow to the brakes and the front axle. The body is mid-engine perfection, long, low, wide, and aggressive. Those scissor doors open upward, classic Lamborghini, and every time they open in public, every single person within 100 meters stops what they are doing and stares. The carbon fiber side vents feed cooling air to the mid-mounted engine. The window line is slashed low. The greenhouse is minimal. But the most extraordinary detail on the exterior of the Revuelto? The engine. It is completely exposed. A glass panel sits above the V12, and you can see the entire engine from outside the car. 12 cylinders, intake plenums, carbon fiber covers, all visible through that glass. No other hypercar at this price exposes its engine like this. It is pure theater. At the rear, those Y-shaped taillights mirror the front exactly. The active rear wing rises automatically at speed, generating massive downforce, and drops flat when you need minimum drag. The exhaust outlets sit high, flanked by those taillights, and the diffuser below manages airflow from underneath the car. Every millimeter of this rear end is purposeful. Now, the powertrain, and this is where the Lamborghini Revuelto becomes genuinely historic. At the heart of this car sits a 6.5-liter, naturally aspirated V12 engine. No turbochargers, no supercharger, just pure, naturally breathing, 12-cylinder Italian engineering that spins all the way to 9,400 revolutions per minute. On its own, this V12 produces 825 horsepower. The sound it makes at 9,400 RPM is one of the greatest sounds that has ever existed in the history of the automobile. But Lamborghini did not stop there. 3 electric motors, one on each front wheel and one integrated into the new 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, add another 190 horsepower of instant electric torque. Total combined system output, 1,001 horsepower, 1,001. and 635 pound-feet of torque. 0 to 60 miles per hour, 2.5 seconds. 0 to 124 miles per hour, that is 200 kilometers per hour, in under 7 seconds. Top speed, 217 miles per hour. The all-wheel drive system is unlike any other. The front axle is driven purely by those two electric motors, one per wheel, allowing torque vectoring at the front with a precision and speed that no mechanical system can match. The V12 and the third electric motor drive the rear wheels. The result is four-wheel drive with four-wheel torque vectoring, and the handling that comes from this system is genuinely extraordinary. 3 drive modes, Cita, Sport, and Corsa, and a dedicated electric-only EV mode for up to 6 miles of silent running. In Cita, the Revuelto is surprisingly manageable. In Sport, it comes alive, and in Corsa, full power, maximum aggression, all 4 wheels receiving torque commands 1,000 times per second. This car is a different species entirely. Autocar called it the quickest supercar they have ever road tested. Evo gave it Car of the Year, unanimously, for the first time in over a decade. These are not marketing claims. These are the judgments of the finest automotive journalists in the world. Step inside the Lamborghini Revuelto, and this cockpit is a fighter jet on wheels. Everything is angled toward the driver. Every surface, every control, every display, all focused on the person behind the wheel. The hexagonal design theme runs throughout the entire cabin. The air vents, the seat stitching, the dashboard cutouts, all hexagonal. It is a design language that is angular, futuristic, and completely unique to this car. Black Alcantara and carbon fiber cover every surface. Orange contrast stitching runs through the seats, the door panels, and the floor mats, creating a dramatic two-tone interior that looks spectacular both during the day and at night when the ambient lighting brings everything to life. That Lamborghini badge steering wheel is flat-bottomed and perfectly sized. On the left spoke, the drive mode selector. On the right, the starter button cover, the ALA Active Aerodynamics Control, and the Anima driving mode controller. Everything a driver needs is right on the steering wheel. The digital instrument cluster is fully customizable, displaying speed, revs, battery state, torque vectoring information, and active aerodynamic status. In Corsa mode, it switches to a full track-focused display with a large rev counter dominating the screen. The central touchscreen handles navigation, media, and climate. Apple CarPlay integrates wirelessly, and for track use, optional telemetry upgrades give you detailed performance data, lap timing, and full vehicle analysis that Evolvo's dedicated motorsport systems. This is a 2-seat car. There's no rear seat, no compromise, no practicality concession. The Revuelto exists for one purpose: to deliver the most extraordinary driving experience on the planet. Before we get to pricing, if you are watching Launch Rev USA for the first time right now, hit that subscribe button. Every single day, we review the world's most extraordinary cars completely and honestly. Cars like this one. You do not want to miss what is coming next on this channel. Now, how much does the Lamborghini Revuelto cost in the USA? The 2026 Lamborghini Revuelto starts at $668,794 before options, and Lamborghini's Ad Personam customization program means options can add significantly to that figure. Every single build slot for the Revuelto through the end of 2026 has already been sold, completely sold out. If you want one, you are looking at a waiting list that stretches well into 2027. For $668,000, you get 1,001 horsepower, a naturally aspirated V12 spinning to 9,400 RPM, 3 electric motors, all-wheel torque vectoring, scissor doors, an exposed engine bay, and a Lamborghini that Evo named Car of the Year. Every penny of that price is justified. The Lamborghini Revuelto, 1,001 horsepower, 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12, 9,400 RPM, 3 electric motors, 2.5 seconds to 60, 217 miles per hour, scissor doors, exposed engine bay, carbon fiber body, orange and black fighter jet interior, $668,000. Completely sold out. Evo Car of the Year, unanimously, for the first time in over a decade. That tells you everything you need to know. The Revuelto is not just the greatest Lamborghini ever built. It is one of the greatest cars ever built by anyone, anywhere, at any price. If you enjoyed this review, smash that like button right now and subscribe to Launch Rev USA for daily reviews of the world's most extraordinary cars. Drop a comment below. Lamborghini Revuelto or Ferrari SF90. Which one would you choose? I want every single opinion. I will catch you in the very next one.